Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Chidema of Noelin Beauty Empire. You are highly welcome, and for you my old subscribers, thank you for coming back. Okay, so in today's video I want to show you how I customize my frontal. So to start, I'm starting with this frontal, a 13x4 frontal. So I'm going to resize this frontal to make a wig for someone who wears small size, cap size. Like me, I wear small cap size, which is cap size 21 inches, but I'm going to make this wig 21.5 so that someone that wears 21 can wear it, someone that wears 21.5 can wear it. So let's do the mathematics. So 13 minus 11.5, which is my ear to ear circumference, you should know that, is 1.5. I will get, so 1.5 divided by 2 to give you 0.75. So we're going to cut out 0.75 on each of the sides. So after that, we are going to measure it again to see, because at the end of this measurement and cutting, we're going to get 11.5. In case you don't know about all this ear to ear circumference, I think I've treated something like that. Check my old videos. I treated something like that last in one of my old videos, how to know your head circumference, your head perimeter. My ear to ear perimeter for a short a small cap size is 11 to 11.5. so I wear small cap size. Okay, so measure your own ear to ear perimeter, but once you tell me your cap size, I'll be able to get your head to ear perimeter. So after measuring out the 0.75 from each side, I will mark it out with my short chalk. You can mark it out with something that you know that can wash off, okay, or rub off. So I'm using chalk. After that, I will remove and cut off the part which I don't want. Okay, so this is me making sure that I bring out the part we don't need. That's that part that falls on the measurement. Then separate the hair from the ones I want to cut up with this my hair grip. We call it hair grip. I got it. You can get it from AliExpress or Amazon, or check your local beauty supplier. So I got it, and this is what I got. This is the 0.75, okay, on each side. So 0.75 plus 0.75, which will give you 1.5, right? Which we minus from the 13 inches frontal. So once you remove 1.5 from the 13 inches frontal, it will give you 11.5. That is the mathematics there. So guys, if you're interested in learning how to make a wig like a pro, if you're interested, I'm taking online classes, so distance will not be a barrier. Okay, check the description in the comment section. Sorry, in the check the column in the description box that says to order a wig for more inquiry about online wig making training. So guys, as you can see, after measuring the last part, this is what we got 11.5. so the next thing is to position the frontal on the wig cap. This is the wig cap I'm using, so make sure you use a wig cap that is not too large. At least let it be not more than medium cap size. Okay, so for me to get the middle of the front, I'm going to fold it into two like this and pinch where the middle falls. That is where my middle is. I'll place it on the wig cap, and make sure when placing your frontals, you can see, make sure that you bring out that part, the part I'm showing you, the earbud. You let your frontal be a little bit like 1 inch above or out from the wig cap. They should not be on this. It should not be on the same level with the wig cap. If not, it will not look natural. So before I sew it down, I make sure that I pin the frontal to the wig cap so that it will make my sewing so simple. So I go off camera to sew it, and after sewing, this is what I got. As you can see, that's my ear, did not hide under the wig cap. Everything is aligned the way it's supposed to. Can you see? So I will start braiding the wig. I'm not going to show you everything, just to show you key points. I will show you how I do the individual braids. This wig is feeding in front and individual braids in the back. So I'm just to show you one or two times how to do the individual, which but I think is not a new thing again. You should know that. After that, I will proceed to showing you how I do my feed in braids, which I will not show everything. I will show you the key, the important parts, then proceed to the next level. So guys, in case you're new here, like I said, my name is Chidema of Noeline Beauty Empire. Noeline Beauty Empire is my brand, okay? So feel free to join this family by hitting the subscribe button. Make sure you like and turn on your notifications so you get notified whenever I upload new videos, okay? And for you, my old subscriber, I'm so grateful. So guys, this is what it looks like so far. Then the next step you're going to see is the feed in braids or cornrow. So guys, I'm going to let you guys watch the video. I will come back and talk to you guys again. So before I forget, if you're interested in ordering any of my products, be it frontal, closures, full lace wig, 360, braided wigs, please check the description box, the column that says to order a wig. I will be there to answer your question. So guys, I just want you to use this little opportunity, this moment, to admire the knots on these frontals. You can see the knots are like invisible. This is a Canicalon made frontal, okay? I ventilated it using Canicalon, so just check out how tiny the knots are, and that will make your wig appear more natural and realistic. So guys, I would like to talk to you guys again. Keep watching. See you guys again. So guys, the lace I use for this wig is a transparent lace. It's a sweet lace, a transparent lace. What makes it is transparent lace? You know, we have different types of sweet lace, different types of lace. We have transparent, we have brown, we have dark brown, we have full HD. Okay, this one I'm using is transparent, which is also durable. Is very good and durable, and it's so good for beginners. Unlike the HD is soft and that one is more expensive, and this one lasts longer. To me, this one lasts longer in when you use it in making braided wig than the HD. So this transparent lace is mainly for white people or pale colored people, but a black person can still use it because why it is transparent, it appears white on the body or on the scalp, but once you tint the lace with your hair tint, lace tint or your foundation, it sits very well, it blends very well and looks like scalp. That's one thing with transparent lace. I will show you a wig I made with this thread. Most of my wigs are made with Swiss lace. Okay, I will show you a picture of the wig, what it looks like once you melt or you lay the frame lace. It melts to your skin, on your skin, as if you're not wearing anything. I'm going to show you the picture somewhere here now, so you see what it looks like on me when I wear it, tint it and melt it with either got to be or adhesive hold or any type. So guys, after now I will go ahead to complete the braids, because I braided some of the braids halfway. I'll go ahead off camera to complete the braids, trim the hair, then I will come back and show you the next step. Okay, please stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, this is the next step, which is coiling the tips of the hair. I'm going to show you quickly how I coil the tips of the hair. So for coiling the tips of the hair, I'm going to use Brazilian wool. You can use any wool, bobby blue wool, you can use baby wool, you can even use soy thread. So what I have available is this Brazilian wool, which I'm using just 2 strands because I need something that will stick, that will not cut along the line. Okay, so I start by starting with the point I'm starting to tie the wool. I'll make sure I secure that point very well. Then the rest I will wrap it loosely. I will wrap the wool loosely on the hair. Once I get to the point, the last, I will now stretch the hair, kind of pull the I will pull the wool to myself while I stretch the hair backwards. Okay, I'll pull the wool to me while I push the hair front or backward. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say here, but with the video it is self-explanatory. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to do just this one to show you guys how I coil the hair. Okay, after coiling, I will go off camera and dip the entire hair in hot water. Then I'll come and unravel the coils so that you see what's the outcome of the coils. Okay, please stay tuned and keep watching. Yeah, this is the hair. Then after coiling it and after dipping in hot water, this is what I get. I will quickly show you how I unravel the coils, which is not a big deal. Just to cut off the ends, everything will come out on its own, and you unravel the coils. Use a pair of scissors and cut the knotted part, that's the end. Then the hair will coil on. You just see the coils pop out. Okay, so guys, after now I will show you the finished look. So for the finished look, I'm going to wear it straight on my head without tinting the lace, without wearing a stocking cap to show you what it looks like. Okay, then I will wear a stocking cap and still show you what it looks like while wear a stocking cap underneath the lace. And you can see that this wig does not have baby hairs. I didn't do that intentionally. I forgot to bring out the baby hairs, but I can still fix it. If anybody that wants to buy it is interested in baby hairs, I can still fix it. Okay, so guys, this is what the wig looks like on my head, the moment of truth. So as you can see how my sideboard is laying flat and everything is aligned. You can see my ear on its own without tucking my ears under the cap. You know, that's the sense of that measurement I did in the beginning. So this is what the back of the wig looks like. So guys, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this wig. Do you find this video helpful? If you enjoyed it, okay, so this is what it looks like when I wear my stocking cap underneath the lace. You can see that I'm wearing a stocking cap underneath the lace here. So this is what the lace looks like. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do that, please like, share, comment, and if you have not subscribed to this moment, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, you will not regret joining this channel. So guys, I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Okay, I'm so pleased that you watched to this moment. If you do, thank you so much. I really appreciate. So guys, this way you can pack it half up, half down. You can pour it if you want. So this is everything of what the back looks like. Do you love this wig? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, and if you have any question, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section. You know, as usual, I will try my best to answer your question. So guys, I will leave you guys here and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.